Hi, this is Ashish from Araali Networks. Cloud has accelerated innovation, but cloud defaults are insecure and geared towards speed. The cloud security is passed to you as part of the shared responsibility model. Kubernetes adoption brings even more dynamism to the environment, which is challenging for existing security tools. Araali is a self-configuring access management solution for cloud workloads that enable lean teams to manage their network exposure. These exposure buckets are a great way to prioritize your security efforts. Ingress exposure. Services directly exposed to the internet or via a load balancer or exposed to elements outside your Araali protected cluster. Internal exposure enumerates all the access made to your database from within your cluster. The database could be running on-prem, on your cloud provider, or even be the third-party database service. Finally, egress exposure, which enumerates all the external and third-party API consumption from your cluster, including any potential backdoor. With this capability, you have a golden reference for assurance that your cloud posture is least privilege. In addition to this, Araali brings another powerful concept to further prioritize your effort called defense path pinning. Most configuration management companies like Rails or Orca talk about attack paths, which are possible combination of paths which can be taken by an attacker to exploit vulnerability. In case of Araali, we understand your runtime and can deterministically chart out how your data flows in your environment. We call this defense path. Unlike other tools, we can also shield these paths using eBPF-based firewall to make them unexploitable. Let's go into one of the database, Cassandra. Here you can see all processes talking to Cassandra. I will explore into the API server Java UI server process to open up the next link in the data flow. It opened API gateway process, which is exposed to the cloud load balancer. This is the full defense path from the internet-facing web app to the database. We can put all our effort on this defense path. It shows that Cassandra has vulnerability and the API server containers have root privilege and exposed credential. Now, instead of worrying about all the possible attack path, I can lock down this defense path, thus locking out all the other so-called attack path. Thank you.